At BuyerCaddy, we're experts at tracking technology worldwide. Our user interface, built upon our own APIs, offers the opportunity to explore all the benefits and features that technographics can provide in a world of possibility for bringing technographic data to your end user experience. In the Products tab, you will notice our partnership with G2 and our adoption of their taxonomy. Among the 95,000 products we're actively tracking, you can compare market share analysis to understand specific trends and even access specific breakdowns and general data points for the individual product itself. One of the primary applications of technographic data is our ability to identify which companies are actively using a specific product. For example, if you wanted to see all companies that have ever and currently using Snowflake, you can input the product here. You can even add in combinations of products where you can better understand who's using both. You can even exclude products from the data population and even run combinations of categories and vendors as well. We have also tied together firmographic data points for further analysis. But what you're seeing here is the ability of tying technographic data to firmographic data to allow for real-time exporting. And many common use cases of this search are for uncovering new selling opportunities, competitive market share, displacement campaigns, ICP analysis, and even current customer account scoring. But in addition to technographic and firmographic filters, you can access individual and profile data of the companies selected. Combining these search parameters allow you to view employees of these companies and conduct even more detailed analysis. Specifically, the skills graph enables you to pinpoint the exact users and influencers of a product of interest. You can also click to see a detailed overview of any individual included on their skills and background data for a complete depiction of knowing who you're talking to. Another feature of technographic data is the ability to view an individual company's tech stack. This is where in BuyerCaddy, you can export and see all products that a company has ever used and currently using. We have also tied together competitive data as well as a timeline news feed data for further signal detection and account model scoring purposes. Also within the UI, you have access to our visualization tool. This is where you can run even more further analysis based off of product categories or any combination that you want to assess. Within this tool, you can select products, better understand adoption and recency data, as well as the depiction within the overall tech stack. All of this can be configured and filtered based off of verification date and first verified. You can also see a timeline view to understand these first verifications and most recent verifications to understand real-time depiction as well as the customer buying journey throughout time. One of the main use cases is your ability to benchmark an organization. This is where the identified company, you can then see how they differ from their direct competitors, maybe even in a one-to-one setting or as broadly as the industry at large. This analysis leads to a variety of insights, but what we have accomplished is a full cross-examination of a company in regards to any type of competitive data or industry data for you to see a variety of applications for how this data is assessed.